Hey there, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the world of massage guns and taking a look at the Hydragun Atom Mini Massage Gun. This small but mighty massage gun is designed to ease aches, pains, and muscle tension, and it seriously packs a punch. Let's talk about its features. The Hydragun Atom is crafted with an aerospace aluminium-grade body, giving it a premium and sleek look. It's also super quiet thanks to the Smooth Drive M motor technology, so no noisy distractions during your massage sessions. And the best part, no subscription fee. This massage gun is perfect for those suffering from back pain or muscle stiffness. The reviewer found relief for her lower back pain that had persisted for years, and it made a significant difference in her daily life. One of the standout features of the Hydragun Atom is its portable size. It's much smaller than the original Hydragun, making it easy to carry in your gym bag or take on holidays. And don't let the size fool you. It delivers just as much power as its larger counterpart. The appearance of the Atom is sleek and stylish, with a gunmetal aluminium body. It looks like a premium product, and the craftsmanship is evident in every detail. You get everything you need in the package: a USB charger, a compact travel case, a product manual, a microfiber cleaning cloth, and 3 attachment heads for different massage intensities. Operating the Atom Mini Massage Gun is a breeze. It offers 3 speed variations, providing comfort for everyday use or more intense massages for tight knots. The battery life is impressive, lasting up to 5 hours, and it automatically turns off after 10 minutes of use for safety. The reviewer loved the quietness and power of this massage gun. It glided effortlessly over clothes, and the flat aluminium head provided soothing relief. The aches and pains were noticeably reduced after each use, making it a valuable tool for workout recovery. While it doesn't have fancy tech features like app connectivity, the Hydragun Atom focuses on what matters most: relieving pain and tension effectively. For those who value simplicity and performance, this massage gun is a winner. The Hydragun Atom Mini Massage Gun has definitely changed the reviewer's perspective on massage guns. She now firmly sits in the camp of those who can't be without it. That's it for today's review of the Hydragun Atom Mini Massage Gun. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Product Critique, for more reviews on the latest gadgets and products. Stay tuned for more great content coming your way. Thanks for watching.